Oh yeah, gonna get this thing looking right. Alright, so we're at the second car now, you guys. We have a Honda Civic here. Pretty sure I showed this car before on my channel, so there's nothing new. We're just gonna go ahead and do a basic wash on the outside. Alright, so we're on a busy road, so I'm gonna try to make this as quick as I can. But we just wrapped up the detail on this Honda Civic here. Came out shining. We used technician's choice for their sealant / wax and protection. And then we did our trim shine all over the trims, the sides, did the outside windows, door jambs. That's pretty much it. So car's looking brand new again.